In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Telegram quickly and easily. Whether you want to update your first name, last name, or both, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. This is perfect if you've recently changed your name, want to use a nickname, or simply prefer to update how you appear to your contacts on Telegram. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. You can do this on both iPhone and Android, and the steps are essentially the same. Once Telegram is open, you'll see your chat list and conversations. Now navigate to settings. On most devices, you can find this by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, which opens the main menu. From there, tap on settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your Telegram profile. Once you're in settings, look for the Edit Profile option. This is usually located near the top of the settings menu, right below your profile picture and current name. Tap on Edit Profile to continue. This opens up your profile editing screen where you can modify your name, bio, username, and profile photo. Now, tap on the name field. This will allow you to edit both your first name and last name. You'll see two separate text fields, one for your first name and one for your last name. Tap on the first name field and delete your current first name. Then type in your new first name exactly as you want it to appear to your contacts. If you also want to change your last name, tap on the last name field. Delete the existing last name and type in your new last name. You can also choose to leave the last name field blank if you prefer to only display your first name on Telegram. Once you've entered your new name, review it carefully to make sure there are no typos or mistakes. When you're satisfied with the changes, tap the checkmark or save button, which is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This will save your new name to your Telegram profile. Your name change will take effect immediately, and all your contacts will see your updated name in their chat list and conversations. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name in Telegram in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more helpful tutorials.